definitely likes slow 30s.
Yeah, it does really well.
So what's your name and who's the owner and what's in here?
So I'm Nick with Southern Sounds. I built the box. This is Bobby. It's his Tahoe.
Okay.
It's got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 18, sorry. Corey Dean SPL Recones.
Yeah, Corey SPL Dean Recones.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 Taramps 8Ks, 105 amp hours of C-Max, 370 alt.
Yes, sir.
We just got those recones in, so we're still kind of breaking them in.
Yep.
Before the recones, it did over a 155.
Okay.
So we don't know what it's going to do until they're broken in.
And the seats actually come back?
They do, yeah.
Okay.
So the port in the back is just because it's for lower tuning.
Yeah.
We take it out for SPL, like when we meter.
Yes, sir.
And we can take it out and put the seats up in it.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Do you remember this one?
Yeah, this was when he just finished it at Made of Steel last year. Wow. Woo. So you got like a port adjustment for the music and demos, and then an SPL to compete.
Exactly, yeah, because if you take the port out, it raises the tuning, but we like lows. So,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How low does it play down?
It'll play, with that port in, it'll play like 24.
Okay.
Just about that, but it goes all the way up to 50. I mean, it's got bandwidth for days.
All right.
But yeah, we're still breaking them in the way you told us to. Get them hot, let them cool down. That's
Yes,
what
sir.
we're doing. So.
Awesome. I appreciate it, man.
No
I like
problem,
the way you use the foam to seal the edge a little bit.
Yeah, so that's the stuff you put over copper pipe, but I mean, we had like an 1/8 inch of a gap because we didn't want to ruin the headliner, and we were like, what can we do to seal it off? And it worked perfect.
Yes,
so.
sir. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
Can I see the back amps at all?
Absolutely, yeah.
All right. How much lithium?
It's 104 amp hours C-Max.
Okay. C-Max.
XLs.
Got it. Very nice. Looks good. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Bobby system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give them a like and comment what you like about a system. Definitely a nice clean install they did. A really good job building into the vehicle, it looks like. Maybe it was a slide-in box. I couldn't tell, but really good job. And to be able to have a removable port and to fit 18-inch subs in a C-pillar like this. So be sure to give them a thumbs up. I really like the removable idea of it. So you can be able to play demo music and SPL test. And having the amplifiers, I'm pretty sure they're at 1 ohm each, so a set of 2 subs per amplifier. He definitely was given the business during the demo, and of course you saw the door speakers were Crescendo with a lithium bank, and I'm not sure how much power he was actually clamping when he did that SPL test, and it's probably breaking a 157 now. It's got to be after the recones break in all the way. So good idea there if anybody's trying to seal off their wall, make it clean and not have to worry about it damaging their panels, because I see a lot of systems where if you have a nice vehicle, you don't want it to break apart everything. So really good idea. Thumbs up for that as well. And I thought it was pretty cool that he was able to put the seats down so I can get some good subflex action for y'all during this demo. And during the shows, when you go to shows, you're able to seat 4 or 5 people at the time is really fun. So having those back seats is a plus, and a family vehicle. So we're getting to the demo now. Subscribe for daily videos and enjoy. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Definitely like slow 30s.
Yeah, it does really well. So, but yeah, we're still breaking them in the way you told us to. Get them hot, let them cool down. That's
Yes,
what
sir.
we're doing, so.
Awesome. I appreciate it, man.
No
I like
problem,
the
man.
way you use the foam to seal the edge a little bit.
Yeah, so that's the stuff you put over copper pipe, but I mean, we had like an 1/8 inch of a gap because we didn't want to ruin the headliner, and we were like, what can we do to seal it off? And it worked perfect.
Yes,
so.
sir. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Awesome, man. Thank you.